human aspects of how we as people interact with our environment, our context. We are constantly doing things like mixing data that we get via our senses, via all of our senses, not just vision and text and interaction with a phone, for example. How do we take that data, mix it with our memory, that is, with our knowledge about the world currently, and how do we come up with new conclusions that will ultimately lead to useful interaction with that world? So if I see an advertisement, for example, on television, I am constantly gathering in that information, translating it into conclusions about what the marketer is attempting to say, taking it and mixing it with my own memory to basically say, oh, I believe that, or I don't believe that, for example. And those are all intelligent interactions with our world. So yes, it is in a sense a holy grail of interaction that is effectively trying to figure out, what is my next action going to be? Am I going to buy this product? Am I going to turn off this machine? Am I going to interact with the screen in some way? Those are all interactions that I'm constantly gauging the necessity or value of making those interactions. And of course, for the large company, it might be a purchase behavior, trying to figure out whether or not I want to purchase a product or not. It may be a decision as to whether or not I would like to gather more data, for example, or interact with a cell phone or a smartphone, or do an interaction with an individual. So there's, you're right. The intelligence aspect of that we are constantly driving towards, we are constantly utilizing, is in a sense is that decision-making process. It's always been there in business, but today we can effectively link it to a vast input of data that we can gather from many sources.